long.
Maybe take it this way so you get full fit.
Oh, it's all gonna be like, sorry.
Oh, okay. We love her. We love her. Maybe for you, if you do on like 0.5, like zoomed out, and then you go from like here to around like this, and we'll just follow you with our eyes kind of thing. Yeah. Show off the jacket. This top is everything. It's so nice. I would have. See, things are for sale, girl.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Like, I would never take a top like this on that and then wear it. Never.
But it's so cute.
But it's so cute.
It's so cute.
I just don't have that eye for that. But like, why you can't move?
Selfie time.
This jacket's giving big pimples.
Yeah.
You know? Exactly.
Oh, did you get one of me doing a selfie?
What?
That'd be great.
What?
Oh, let me get a picture of that.
That'd be so fun. Did you get? You got me doing that? That's fun. I'll do that. Want me to go to the selfie?
Okay. Alright.
It's gonna look so good in this video.
Get your
Oh my god, I didn't even realize I was thinking.
Get your last